Hi viewers, this is Meenakshi Chandra Maxito. Welcome to my channel. You are watching Ganesh Tutor MS. Are you all ready to learn? Let me start the class.
Exercise number 8.4, problem number 5, subdivision number 2. Actually, prove the following identity where the angles involved are the acute angles for which expression are defined. Clear? Actually, each angle, the angle A is acute angle. So, such a way they defined the expression, this identity. Now, we can prove this identity. When we solve the left hand side, we will get the right hand side or not. Clear? We should prove this identity. Are you all clear, pa? Excuse me? Excuse me? Okay. Da. First one, actually here, sine cos divided by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A divided by cos A, then equal to 2 times of secant A. Are you clear? Excuse me? Okay. Now it is an identity. Now we can take this identity left hand side to we can prove the right hand side. When you are simplifying left hand side, we will get the right hand side. Are you all clear, pa? Excuse me? Excuse me? Okay. Da. Now we should take left hand side. Here cos, here 1 by sine, 1 plus sine, cos. So whenever they given in a tan, secant, cosecant, we try to convert into the in terms of sine and cos. But here it is defaultly they given cos and sine. So what we supposed to do? Very easy. Now it is addition. You should take a LCM. Are you clear? So LCM for this two number, when you are adding, we want to take LCM because here 1 plus sine theta, here cos theta. What is the LCM for this two? That is the multiplication of this two value. 1 plus sine theta into cos theta. Are you clear, pa? Excuse me. So LCM of these two was multiplication of these two number, these two terms. 1 plus sine theta, here cos theta. So you can multiply 1 plus sine theta into cos theta. That is a LCM. Now in this term, in this LCM, in this term, cos theta is missing, right? Excuse me. Excuse me. Here cos theta is missing. So we should multiply cos theta here. That is cos A. Real clear? Excuse me, da. Listen, da. The LCM is 1 plus sine theta cos theta. Now we want to write here 1 plus sine theta. Here cos theta is missing, right? So we should multiply cos theta in the numerator as well as the denominator. Excuse me, are you clear? Excuse me, are you clear? Any doubt? Excuse me, da. Excuse me. Listen, da. First we should take for LCM for these two numbers. So LCM of these two is 1 plus sine A cos A. Are you clear? Actually, when the LCM of 2 comma 4, what it is? 4. Are you all clear? Clear? Next, LCM of 5 comma 2, 10. How will you find out this? How will you find out this? You should multiply the denominator. The same way you should multiply 1 plus sine A plus into cos A. Clear? Excuse me? Now we should have try the what it is LCM. Next 1 by 5, for example 1 by 5 plus 3 by 2. Now what you supposed to do? How will you solve this problem? We should multiply 5 into 2, 10. 1 2s are 2, 5 3s are 15, right? We can go with the cross multiplication also. Clear? This is a one more method of LCM, right? We should multiply the denominator and cross multiply, right? Excuse me? In the same way, you should multiply the denominator 1 plus sine A into cos A, then cross multiplication. Cos A, cos A, cos A square. 1 plus sine A into 1 plus sine A, 1 plus sine A square. Are you clear? Excuse me? Any doubt? Excuse me, da? Very good. Very good. Now, see here, cos squared A plus 1 plus sine squared A. Shall we expand this 1 plus sine squared A as a plus B the whole squared formula? A square plus 2AB plus B square. Excuse me? It is in a form of A plus B bar. So we can expand by A square plus 2AB plus B square formula, right? Here A is a 1, B is a sine A. Are you clear? Excuse me? Okay. Now we can multiply cos squared A plus B the whole square formula. So A square plus B square plus 2AB. That is 2 times of 1 into sine A. So 2 sine A. Are you all clear? Excuse me? Okay. Now. Next, as usual, same denominator 1 plus sine A cos A. Next, cos theta. Actually, cos theta plus sine theta, what it is? Cos theta plus sine theta. Cos square theta plus sine square theta. We know the identity what it is. Sine square theta plus cos square theta. What is the identity? 1 addition, baby. Sin square theta plus cos square theta. We have three identity, right? Please recall the identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, right? Excuse me. Very good. Now here cos square theta, sin square theta. So sum of these two it became a 1. Clear? Excuse me. Okay. Next remaining this one and 2 sin A. Are you clear, pa? Excuse me. Again one more time. Actually, when you are listen, here cos A, here 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A, cos A. We can take LCM. LCM is nothing but you should multiply these two and you can go with the cross multiplication. So 1 plus sin A cos A, then cross multiplication, cos A square, cross multiplication, 1 plus sin A the whole square. Clear? Excuse me. Okay. Now. Next, cos A squared plus, now we can expand A plus B the whole squared formula. So A square plus B square plus 2AB. So 2 times of 1 into sin A. So 2 sin A. Clear? Any doubt? Excuse me, pa. Excuse me. Next here cos squared A. Here sin squared A. So cos squared A, sin squared A, what it is? 1. We know the identity, right? Excuse me. Sin squared theta plus cos squared theta equal to 1. And SIT, secant squared theta is equal to 1 plus tan squared theta, right? We learn this identity, no? Cosecant squared theta is equal to 1 plus cos squared theta. Very good, Sanjay. So we learn this 3 identity. So we can use this identity. That is the first one. Sin square theta here, cos square theta. So sum of these two theta, sin squared plus cos squared equal to 1. So you can put to 1. 1 squared is 1. 2 sin A. Are you clear, pa? Excuse me, are you clear? Excuse me. Okay. Next, now we can add it. 1 plus 1. 2. 2 plus 2 sin A. Clear? 2 plus 2 sin A divided by the same denominator. 1 plus sin A cos A. Next, from these two terms, 2 is a common or not? From this 2 terms. 2, you can take out a common 2. So remaining, when you are taking out a 2 common, here remaining 1 plus sin A. 1 plus sin A. Are you clear? Excuse me, 1 plus sin A. Then denominator 1 plus sin A cos A. Shall we cancel now 1 plus sin A and 1 plus sin A? Shall we cancel it or not? Now remaining 2 into 1 by cos A remaining. Clear, pa? 1 by cos A, what it is? Secant A. So 2 into secant A. Now you can check your right hand side what it is. 2 secant A, we supposed to prove it, right? Clear? So we got the right hand side. Are you clear by any doubt?
I hope in this video you may clear about the problem. Thank you for watching my video. If it is any doubt, you can ask me in a comment. Thank you.